This is a short demonstration video on how to perform a mini-Nutsch filtration and how to obtain a Nutsch molasses sample. In this video, it shows a new smaller design of the Nutsch apparatus that was manufactured as much smaller sample sizes are now required when the sample is to be analyzed using SMRI NRS technology. Sipa Mandla, a research technician at the SMRI, will be performing the demonstration. A note that the mini-Nutsch apparatus cannot be used if the sample is to be analyzed by conventional means. So we first need to disassemble the apparatus and describe the different parts of the apparatus. So this is the mini-Nutsch design. So we then first unscrew the clamping ring that fastens the cap to the filter. Next, we remove the cap, and on top of the cap it has a Festo threaded to tube pneumatic fitting with a 6mm push-in type connector. Next, we remove the gasket that provides a seal between the cap and the filter. Remember, ensure that the gasket is placed the right way so that it aligns with the surfaces of the cap and the filter. We are then left with the filter, which is completely enclosed. We can now take our masquerade sample and fill our mini-Nutsch apparatus. Ensure that you have a spatula to remove the Nutsch molasses from the sides of the filter, and also a sample dish to collect the sample. For this demonstration, we are using C masquerade at approximately 60 degrees. We only require about half a litre of masquerade to perform. Once we have filled the apparatus with masquerade, place the sample dish under the apparatus to collect the sample. We then place the gasket on top of the filter, ensuring that it's put on top of the filter in the right way. We then place the cap onto the top of the gasket. We then clamp the cap and the filter together with the clamping ring. We then connect the air line to the apparatus and open the air valve once we've done so. Allow the Nutsch molasses to filter through the filter until air is escaping from the filter. Remove as much of the molasses from the sides of the filter as possible. So once completed scraping the sides of the filter, we can disconnect the filter. And then place the apparatus in a container for washing later. Mix the sample of the Nutsch molasses in the dish very well, and then place the Nutsch molasses sample in the container. Always ensure that you have enough of a Nutsch molasses for analysis, and for NRS this is 15 grams. If there is insufficient sample, another Nutsch can be performed. Due to its small size of the filter, never allow the masquerade to cool before filtering, as this will increase its viscosity, making it much more difficult to filter, and not enough sample may be obtained. So once we've collected all the sample can then be, the sample bottle then can be closed, and this will be sent for analysis. And the results will be for a molasses Nutsch sample, and in this case will be C molasses Nutsch, or C Nutsch molasses. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope it's been useful in showing you how to perform the mini-Nutsch apparatus and how to obtain a Nutsch sample. Wishing you a great day further. Goodbye.